Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook some delicious stew fish. Now just before we go into the video, please remember when you watch my videos, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment to introduce yourself and subscribe as well. Now let's go straight into the video. This is some red bream that I'm going to brown stew. Now in preparation, as always said in all my videos, this fish has been washed. I've cleaned it with lemon and vinegar. Very important, especially with seafood. You make sure that you clean your food correctly and properly. So I'm just going to season this fish. Not going to be a lot of seasoning. Firstly, I have some chopped garlic, which I'm going to add to this. Chopped garlic. I'm gonna use some everyday seasoning. Yeah, some everyday seasoning, and I'm also gonna add some dry thyme. Just add the thyme. At this stage, I'm not gonna put anything more, so I'm just gonna rub this in together. What I'm gonna do as well is I'm gonna chop up some bell peppers, some spring onions, some leek, and a few other stuff, and that I will use to make like a sauce or gravy, but I'll show you that as well. So this, I rubbed everything together. What I'm gonna do is just to cover this up and leave it to marinate. I'm doing a few other stuff, so I'll come back to this in about an hour and start to fry the fish. In preparation for my sauce, I have some leek, a white onion, 3 carrots, I have half of a green bell pepper, half of a red green bell pepper, and half of a yellow bell pepper. I have a couple of green chilies and some spring onions. So what I'll do is just to chop these up quickly. So this is the vegetables that I've sliced up. So I'm just gonna put this aside, and once I'm finished frying the fish, I'm gonna go ahead now and fry the fish. I've lightly coated the fish with some flour. This is just to get some crispiness. What I'll do, I'll just turn them over midway and then probably turn them again. I just want a nice even fry throughout so that everything looks uniform. I have now completed frying the fish, and I'm gonna finish cooking the fish in this pan. But before I do this, I need to complete or do the sauce. I'm going to start make my sauce now for the stew. So in this pan, I've added some of the oil, the freshly used oil that I've just used to fry the fish, just a couple spoons full, and I'm gonna add some wet jerk sauce to this. Just give it a nice little stir. The oil is very hot, so I'm gonna add all of these vegetables. Wow, this smells really nice. Smells really nice. I'm just going to give it a nice little stir. To this mixture, I'm going to add about half a cup of water and about half a cup of juice, some pineapple juice. This is the water. And this is the juice. Just gonna give this a nice stir, and then I'm gonna allow this to cook. Actually, I'm gonna also add some ketchup. Just squeeze some ketchup in the pot generously as well. Give it a nice little stir. The sauce is now cooking down nicely. This is basically ready. I'll give it a next minute or so. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put the fish on this side and just add all of this with the fish, and just leave it for 30 seconds. Turn off the hob, and this will be ready within 5 or so minutes. This smells really nice. Let me just have a little taste. Wow. So basically this is now ready. I'm just gonna switch the pans around. So here is the fish. I'm just gonna add all of this nice thick sauce to it. Oh, you can see all that steam coming out from the pan. This really looks delicious. Let me see if we can zoom out a bit. Wow. Now this is ready. It looks really delicious. So this is the best part now, to have a taste of all my hard work. So let me see, I'm just getting a piece of this fish. Wow, look at this. This looks really nice. I'm having this with some gungo peas rice. Look at the gravy, how thick it is. And some steamed okra. This is what I'm having with it. Wow, this is really nice. This is really delicious. Please remember, when you watch my videos, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.